Sana ya. Habis itu langsung gini ya.
Alright, so now before we head to Illusory, quick stop, grab some lunch at this warung place down by the waterfalls. I would have never known that this was somewhere to get something to eat, but thank God we can get some sandals for Ta and we can get something to eat quick before we head to Illusory on to the next waterfalls.
Kayak roti itu masih bisa nggak?
Bakso ada sebelahnya tuh.
Gimana situ?
Jauh nggak?
Krisna kan bawa ini.
Di bawah
Ini si Krisna.
Hah? Bayar nggak ya?
So we just sat down here to get some lunch. This is all 15,000 rupiah, which is like under $1. But you get all this food for under $1. It's amazing when you eat local.
We got soup and we got various kind of vegetable here.
Alright, so we just got here to the second set of waterfalls. Now we're gonna start with a Ling Ling and head down the path and hit probably about 3 or 4 more is what I'm hoping for. You gotta love waterfall hiking. It's a trek, especially when you're hiking new waterfalls that are in the jungle, but a Ling Ling and these ones are definitely been hiked a couple times, so there's like concrete steps and everything all the way down, so it's a little bit better considering we're one pair of shoes short. Gotta do what we gotta do. Gotta keep going. We didn't come this far to turn around now.
Okay, now I realize the most essential things about traveling is that you need to have a good shoes. Because when you don't have shoes and you have to walk bare feet up to the waterfall, it sucks. But you need to have a good shoes. I'm suffering right now from not having a shoes.
And here we are, waterfall number 5. I believe this is a Ling Ling. This one is very tall, very big. I'm really excited to get in, shoot with the drone, take some pictures, and swim. God damn it, it just ruined my plans. Do not swim. Have to move to the next one then.
I think you still can or not. That girl is
And the reason you can't swim over at a Ling Ling is because somebody died not that long ago because the water is so strong it sucks you under. So we're gonna move on down the river onto the next one. Alright, so what's the name of this? Kroya Waterfall. This is where the natural water slide is. I believe it's 150,000 rupiah to slide down the slide most of the time. Yeah, and then you can also jump right here down into the water. So let's see how it is. Go.
I can't.
Yeah, go. That was a lot of fun. Being able to actually jump and fly the drone a little bit and catch Ta flat landing on her butt cheeks and hurting her butt.
My
But
legs
did
hurt.
you enjoy it?
My thighs
You
hurt.
you weren't gonna jump at first, but did you enjoy it?
I enjoy it.
Yeah.
But I drink a whole bunch of water. But I like it.
This is one of the places you definitely have to come up north. You have to normally pay 150,000 rupiah to jump, but they have the natural water slide there, and then they have the jump there. They have an additional water slide here, and then you can also jump at this waterfall here. So it's really cool if you want to spend the day in the afternoon. You can slide, jump, all the way down. The one that we jumped off of was nothing compared to this. This is super high up. And you jump right next to this waterfall. It goes in steps, small, medium, large, all the way down, and that's a wrap. That's all the Bali waterfall series we got until we leave. We leave for Vietnam on the 20th, so I think this is it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave it a thumbs up.
And subscribe for the new upcoming video.
Yep, we'll be traveling around Vietnam.
Is
that on?
Yeah.
And a quick stop on the way home at the famous Bali Gates.
Đây,